Right, in addition to this projection line that you've created, we want to have one on its own as well. So again, we'll use the line segment tool, click on the background once, and we're going to type in 3 millimeters. We want another 45-degree angle on its own and hit OK. All right, so now what we have to do is we need to center this. All of the outside lines for the projection lines have this little forward facing angle, and we have to duplicate that on every one. So we know that Control-Shift-M will take it down 10 millimeters. So 0, 10 millimeters vertical, and then tab to make this go to the correct spot and copy. Control-Shift-M, it's already set up, copy. So that now we want to repeat this on the other end. So we select these three. So you select one with the selection tool, hold down the Shift key, select the next one, hold down the Shift key, select the next one. So we have the three of those selected. And then again, you hit Control-Shift-M. We want it to move across 150 millimeters, so it sits on top of the other projection line. And so you've typed in 150, then you click the tab key. We don't want any vertical, so we make that 0, hit tab again, and copy. So if we zoom out, you'll see that it's on the other end now. Okay, so now that we have that set up all in place, what we need to do now is these little ones, they have to indicate certain things on this page as well. So what happens with these dimension lines is on the first dimension line, the closest one to the birdhouse is where we put the windows and doors. So this is a window and this would be a door. It's an exit, it's a hole. So it's going to go as a door on the first dimension line here. And we're going to indicate the measurements on this line here for those. And then all external features such as walls. So the wall thickness will be shown on the next line, as well as the perch, which is an external wall, you could say, an external feature, and as well as the dowel that it's going to sit on. So all of those things will be indicated on here. So the first one is for windows and doors. The next one is for internal or external walls, and then the last one is for the overall dimensions. So you're going to select this and you're going to move it along. But to be accurate, we want to view and go down to guides, and you want to make sure that you can see the guides. You also need to go view, and we want to see rulers. So rulers, show rulers. Okay, and then we can click and drag and it will bring out a guideline. So we can get these guidelines in. You should really zoom in much closer than what I have so that you can get the actual dimensions there. So if I put all this information here, it makes it much easier when I'm aligning those projection lines up the top. And then of course we need these little ones as well. Okay, so we need to zoom in for this. So we know that this is on the first line. So let's start here. You need to zoom right in to be able to get to these properly, and you need to zoom in to see that it's in the correct spot.